Today I will download, install, and use the Electron Wave computer program. I'll download using Chrome. Wait for it to come up. The URL is http://, which you don't have to type in Chrome, electronwave.com. Electron Wave, all lowercase, hyphen instead of a space, .com. And there it is, a picture of the app, then some verbiage, then two links. One link is to the trial installer, one link is about the program. Today I'll click the trial installer. My Chrome installs under the users directory. I don't get a choice, it just goes there. While it's downloading, the extension is CR download. Eventually that'll change to .exe. Eventually. To mitigate the agony, I'll edit some of this out. And there is the download. Finally. That's the download trial installer. I'll double click on it. It asks me what I want to call the program, where I want to install it. I have a directory called Stella Blue. I'll put it there. I'll call it Electron Wave since it's called Electron Wave. I want both a desktop icon and a menu item. The install is pretty fast except for the end. It's installing Python files and C++ files. Okay, now I've downloaded and installed. And there's the icon at the bottom of my screen. Double click it. And there's the first screen. It asks me if I want to install the license code or run the trial version. I'll pick the trial version, and there it is. Electron Wave, I hope you know, is a program to create arbitrary pattern files. You can take these files and download them, upload them to an arbitrary waveform generator, and create actually arbitrary waveforms from the arbitrary pattern. The arbitrary pattern consists of a number of regions. Each region is defined by an equation you type or by drag and control points. The default is drag and control points. I'll take that. I'll also accept the default scaling. You can scale some regions independently, some aspects independently. Now create a keystone CSV file. I'll go with 1K points. This depends on your arbitrary waveform generator and your target. I'll make original and call it test 7. Now I'll also create an RG file. An RG file is a text file that contains the equation we used and the scaling factors. It's useful if you have to do things with the knobs on the arbitrary wavefront generator, and or if you have to make a report. Because you can use the RG file to specify exactly what you did with the arbitrary waveform. I'll give it the same name, different extension of course.